Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hey, I'm Scott.
Hi, I'm Skyla. And I'm Holden.
And we are
The Dean Team.
And we are here in Orlando, kicking off spring break with a visit to the Sea Life Aquarium. What do you think? Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
We are in Icon Park, right off I-Drive and Universal Drive. You can see the big Ferris wheel, and right by Madame Tussauds, a bunch of restaurants, a little fun area.
Icon Park has a play pass where you can bundle attractions, up to 7 attractions, and you get a discount by doing that. So here's the QR code to check that out if you want to learn more. We found Dory already, first thing.
Why are you so short?
He got stuck. He needs some help. Help your daddy out. Oh gosh, now you're both gonna try to fit? How you doing?
I don't recommend it. Pretty.
Oh, I love the lionfish. Hi, bud.
I saw Skyla.
Whoa, got a buddy over there. Oh, they're all having a good chat.
Back up, boys. That's my cleaner. He's not on the menu.
This is very cool. It's a touch screen, so you can find out more.
Find the answer, then collect the stamp. Collect all stamps and show your dive logbook to a member of staff at the end of your journey to claim your reward.
We're gonna get a reward.
Okay, yeah. You got a fish.
What does it look like?
These are the outlines.
Oh, okay. What happens when you press the buttons? Oh, you can change the color? Oh, that is cool. Those change too.
Oh yeah.
When you light it up, those change as well.
Wait, I have an observation.
It's like a jellyfish dance party.
I have an observation. Whatever the color
It's like club jellyfish.
is the color.
And you're the DJ. DJ Jazzy Sky.
Ew.
You can scan for more fun facts, so we did. And then it's taking us to a jellyfish video. Ocean Invaders. Did you know that jellyfish are older than dinosaurs? One of the very first animals to live in the ocean. Ooh.
Now we're in the North Atlantic Ocean.
Okay, now we're in the North Atlantic. Yep. Oh, it tells you where you are. He would eat us if he could. 100%. He is angry.
It's what I'm gonna look like when I lose all my teeth.
Wait, are there 2 of them in there?
Yeah, it's both of us together when we're 90.
Just like a fingerprint, the spot patterns around the wolf eel's eyes are different for each individual. They tell you how to tie all of these knots. What did you make, Holden?
The Holden knot.
The Holden knot? Which one are you doing, Skyla?
I really don't know. I'm doing
It looks sturdy.
Come on. It's twerking.
This one's twerking? What kind is it? A saw shark?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Atlantic Ocean. A sea turtle.
Gabby, I mean no, sea turtle. It's King Triton's hand.
Holden says it's Triton's hand. What do you think?
What I'm thinking is I'm just trying to look for a flounder.
Oh, you just want a flounder, obviously.
Do you see a flounder?
What's in here?
A shark laying on the ground.
That is a strange perspective.
Mom, put your hand in.
Whoa.
Mom, you put your hand in.
That looks like a dream or a nightmare. I don't know which one. Whoa.
It scares you whenever you put your hand in because you feel like you're going to get bit because you can't on glass.
Yeah. Put your head in there. See how that feels. Pop it in. Go as far as you can. Do you feel like you're in there?
Yep. It can go farther.
You're doing the same thing that we did. It goes in a lot further than you think. But just stick your head in.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh.
Is it weird? The view from inside. Holden loves an axolotl, so he's very excited about this section.
Did you know that
This makes me think of Encanto.
Coco, but sure.
Oh,
There
Coco
in South
too.
America.
This is the one that I want. That looks cool.
You want one of these as a pet because your buddy Logan has one.
Yep. Oh, I like that orange one. Axolotl means water monster because
Water monster.
axolotl means water and axolotl means monster.
So water monster.
Oh my!
Where are the axolotls? What is that?
I'm putting
Why is that going up and down?
because she's rolling.
That
The
is
rock going
cool.
back up.
Holden's dream, surrounded by axolotls. Oh, it's scary? I was like, it's your dream. You're like, that's terrifying. You're right by the log. Okay, now I can see you. Go down in the middle. Now you're in the water. I want this one.
Same.
That's amazing.
I hate pink, and this axolotl has changed.
Alright, come on, Red.
I am now a guardian of the axolotl.
Let's do a guardian's handshake. No, like, and then this. Bop, 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 bop. Boom, axolotls. I feel like we're in Avatar. You gonna go ride a banshee?
Yes.
All of the areas here have a really awesome theme. The axolotl area is my favorite so far. It's very bright and beautiful. The aquarium's a little bit dark. That's why we haven't been filming ourselves as much, because the spaces are dark. It makes the aquariums look really cool because they pop in the darkness. Coral Sea. Limbo. I'm gonna hold your pamphlet. Go ahead. Skyla be nimble, Skyla be quick. Skyla go under limbo stick. Wow, that's impressive. Oh my gosh, you made it.
No, thank you.
This looks like an ordinary fish tank until
Dun dun
dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun.
Well, that's from Jaws. We're not even seeing sharks yet.
I love how interactive a lot of the displays are. There are things you can touch, digital screens to play with. So for smaller kids, it really keeps the interest. For older kids, there's a lot to learn. So that is an awesome part of this experience for sure. And there are so many photo ops. I've never seen an aquarium with this many photo ops throughout. It's awesome.
That is not a clownfish. That is a clownfish. That's not a clownfish.
The white-spotted bamboo shark is probably hiding out on the ocean floor because some shark species share the actual section. So thanks for coming in and enjoy your day of exploring.
That's so cool.
Here it gives you the story of their green sea turtle, Shelly, with a CH, hit by a boat, and it created that buoyancy problem. So they partnered with the Sea Turtle Hospital, which we've been to in the Keys, and now Shelly has a permanent home here.
So Shelly is from the Keys. Oh, that's so cool. Shelly!
Where's Ted?
No, that one's Shelly because she has the buoyancy problem. That's why her bottom rises.
Oh.
It's called the bubble butt. There's Shelly. What a sweet one.
At the Sea Turtle Hospital, they put weights on them to help
Yes.
with their buoyancy.
Hey, you're in my shot, dude.
think he did that on purpose?
I think he is there on purpose, but it sure doesn't look like it.
Like being all the way around compared
It's
to
really
Ripley's.
crazy.
Yeah. The big
They're
hooper
under
note.
you. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that. We're about halfway through.
Turtle!
We got a turtle that time. I love it.
I'm scared.
This one's not scary, it's just teeny fish.
Oh, teeny fish.
I don't think there's any eels.
Okay, you don't think.
You don't trust me?
You can't trust an aquarium that you never been to. God, that thing's dying.
That's a nice chill zone right there. Seahorse love. The dad looks after the babies in his pouch. Would you do that?
Yes.
I mean,
Got some huge bellies.
they look full.
They are little pot-bellied seahorses.
You're just a pot-bellied seahorse. I feel you. That's me after breakfast this morning.
They don't look happy after they fix that.
People need to stop throwing plastic bags out.
Wait, 5 of the ants are
Do you know what shark egg sacs are called?
No.
Mermaid's purses?
No, they are not.
That's what it says.
Which one do you think is the mermaid purse?
B.
A.
Oh. Of course. Now we have the mouth, bud. What kind of creature do you think it is?
Turtle's over there.
On a bird. Fish.
Over that way.
This one's my fave. Hi. They just look so happy. You think he's gonna go in the mouth? His name is Ted. A rescue loggerhead. All of the areas are based on which part of the ocean you're in. So like Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. So I feel like we're going on a tour as we go around. It's very clear which area you're in, which is very nice. Ooh, the lighting is changing. This would be super fun to feed them. This is where you stand if you do that. More fin fact videos. It's raining, it's pouring.
Oh my gosh, Mom. Hello.
You got a good spot over here.
I get to see 2 dories.
It's thundering.
Ah, get out of the water! It's scary how far out it goes.
Oh yeah, it's another one you could put your head into. You want to look out further.
It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Oh, it stopped.
All I see is a snake projection on the wall.
And a turtle.
Okay, turtles are good, snakes are not. We gotta ask Daddy to scope it out.
No snakes.
No snakes? Uh-oh. I like all of the projections everywhere. They're awesome. Oh, we got a skull in here. He's strange looking. What kind is he?
I don't know. Touch tanks though.
Touch tanks are over there?
Yep.
Let's go.
Pero si tú te la sabes, solo mandas a la
Now we're on the North Pacific Ocean.
I'm sorry.
That's where Nemo lives. And anemone. What do they feel like?
Smell it.
What does it feel like?
Touch it. Touch them.
Feels like a roasted red pepper.
That's weird.
I'm gonna try touching whatever this is. Are these alive?
It's very cold. How cold did you say?
50.
Very cold. It's like jelly. That is huge. Wow. We are very lucky that with the level of Legoland annual pass holders we actually get access to this aquarium for free. So we have been to Orlando loads of times, but had never been here. You can exit, or if you want to go back into the aquarium, you can return to the start of the journey. The last stamp is about recycling, and I love that throughout the aquarium, they're teaching you to protect the ocean and protect all of the wildlife. Save our homes, keep us safe, pollution-free. Hold it.
This is happening right now.
Hold it.
Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah.
Picture the guys from Fishtail.
Oh, yes.
And of course.
Hey, where's Kristen? Let's find it.
Yeah, no.
Of course, the S is pink. I found my name.
You found your name? Oh, come on now.
And what did you guys like most about the aquarium?
The axolotl. The axolotl.
The axolotls.
He wants an axolotl as a pet, so
Yeah.
he was trying to convince me in there. What did you get as your prize?
A necklace that has this
So it says Ocean Ambassador.
and sea life.
We had an awesome time at Sea Life Aquarium. We have high expectations because we love zoos and aquariums.
Yeah, I've been to a lot of them all over the country. So.
Georgia Aquarium is our gold standard
Oh,
aquarium.
yeah. Nothing beats that one.
We'll show that to y'all in a vlog eventually. We have Ripley's Aquarium in Myrtle Beach, which we love. It's our home-based aquarium. We go there all the time. We'll put a link in the description so you can check that one out too. But we were pleasantly surprised by how awesome this aquarium is.
Yeah, it was a lot better than I thought or anticipated because you can't really see anything. It just seems like in a mall-style building. But yeah, it was very clean, well-maintained. The touchscreens were cool, projections all around. There was a couple narrow spots where it got a little claustrophobic, and you can only pretty much go around one way. You know, it's not like some aquariums where there's like a section and a different section and all that. It was just kind of in and through. It definitely got busier later in the day too. Just that, even that hour from 11:30 to 12:30, huge different amount of people that were in there.
There was awesome theming throughout the whole place. We got to see sea turtles, my favorite. There aren't any like massive sharks or anything like that, but there is a wide variety of the different sea life. And I loved that the theming throughout is conservation, protecting the ocean, protecting the animals, but in a fun way where kids can learn and understand. So that's always a great thing when kids are having fun, but they're also learning. Thank you so much for coming along with us. I'll put a link to all of our Florida vlogs so you can check out all of our trips here, and we'll see you soon.